another Epicflows production.
Got an 8 o'clock class, gotta make it early. Didn't sleep last night till about 4:30. Chilling at my college campus, so major. Hopping down the streets elevator, yeah. Mixing up my cup of liquor, shit turned green. Man, this shit turned my spleen hurt, my dick turned mean, and I blacked out. Thinking about 6 virgins, whoop whoop. Heard a siren, it's 5:13. So I don't know shit in the middle of the streets. Eyes burning red, cause I'm team no sleeper. New age intruders is in the building. New age intruders, swag built in. Radekal, a freaking party animal. And if a party happening while I'm in popping, then I just might pop in. A flip, I turn a dancer, F all the rapping. Where the party at?
College party or the bomb party all night long. From you with student union, go straight to the quad. Then back to you, tech band, it's sick man, it mad. Yo, it's sick man, it mad. Yo, it's sick man, it mad. College party or the bomb party all night long. From you with student union, go straight to the quad. Then back to you, tech band, it's sick man, it mad. Yo, it's sick man, it mad. Yo, it's sick man, it mad.
Epicflows. Always strike epic and let your flows be radical.